Hello. What we've got is a missing window in the pigpen, which is going to let rain and snow and wind in. Now, since we just stored a load of logs in there that we don't want to get wet, I'm going to make a very cheap and cheerful temporary window. Lash up job. Do you want to come and see how we fix it? Come on. Here's my plan. The top one goes inside, stays dry. The bottom one goes outside, and the water should run off it. Well, that's the theory anyway. Let's see what happens. Excuse me turning my back to you. All it's got to do is last until spring next year. And I know there's huge, great big holes at the bottom that the animals can get in. But there won't be quite so much rain and snow going in that way. Great, job done. So this is what it looks like outside. Let's have a quick peek at the inside. As you can see, compost pile is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. There's all the logs that we brought in to keep dry and to reuse. And here is our glorious new window. As I said, at the bottom, yes, you can still see outside. But it keeps everything in here dry for the meantime. Okay, let's go back and see what else there is to do. Next to the big compost pile is the old bread oven. As you can see, up at the top on the right, there's quite a lot of ivy covering the stone chimney. That needs to obviously be fixed, probably repointed. This wall on this side doesn't look too clever either. And if we go to the front, you can see that one of the prime structural beams has had a bit of a hiccup, a bit of an oops. But inside, there is still a bread oven, which that'd be nice to get it back to working again. And obviously these walls can be rebuilt either in colombage or stone or tin if necessary, because they're all in a pretty sorry state. And it did have electricity in here at one point. My God, modern times. But it's not dead. That's going to be a bread oven again, I think. Or very small pizzas. Who knows? Anyway, that's a project for later. Let's move on. that's it. Another day finished. Well, don't know quite what I'll do next. Come along and watch it anyway. See you.